In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and engaging storybook for kids using Canva and ChatGPT. Whether it's for your own kids, a school project, or just for fun, this guide will help you craft a professional-looking storybook with ease. We'll begin by creating the story. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. Start by typing in a simple prompt like, "Write a short story for kids." ChatGPT will offer suggestions you can use. If you're looking for something more specific, try a prompt like, "Write a short story for kids that's entertaining and educational." The AI will generate a full story for you. Take a moment to read through the story. If you're happy with it, great. You can also experiment with different prompts to create exactly the kind of story you want. Once you're satisfied with your story, copy it and paste it into a notepad. This makes it easier to edit or customize parts later. For this tutorial, I'll be using a short rabbit story as an example. Next, head over to Canva. In the search bar, type story and select the storybook option. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from, or you can start with a blank canvas. Let's begin designing. First, add a background image. Go to Elements and search for an image that fits your story. I'll choose one that suits the rabbit theme. Resize it to fill the entire canvas and set it as the background. Now copy the first part of your story from Notepad and paste it into a text element on Canva. Resize and position the text where you want it. For a playful look, I recommend using a fun font like Comic Sans or a cartoon-style font. Adjust the size and layout to make it visually appealing. Time to add images to match the story. Open Canva in another tab and use the Dreamlab feature from the sidebar. This is an AI image generator. For example, since my story is about a rabbit, I'll type "Create a rabbit for a kid's story" and click Create. Dreamlab will generate 4 images. Pick your favorite image. Click Add Image and set a style reference to use the same character throughout the book. This keeps your story visually consistent. Choose the image you like best, copy it, and add it to your Canva page. Resize and position it as needed. Once you're done with the first page, duplicate it and repeat the process. Copy the next part of the story, generate the next image, and place it into your layout. If you don't like the first image result, just click Create again to generate more options. You can also search for blob frames to give your pages a fun, modern look. If you want custom frame designs, try the Frame Maker app inside Canva. Once your storybook is complete, it's time to turn it into a digital flipbook. Click Share, then go to More and scroll down to find the Simple Booklet Flip option. If you don't already have a Simple Booklet account, sign up for a free one. It only takes a minute. I already have an account, so I'll log in and click Export your design. Then head back to Canva and click Save. Once it's finished, click View on Simple Booklet. Give your flipbook a name and click Convert. Now you have a stunning, interactive digital storybook that flips pages just like a real one. And that's how you create a kid's storybook using Canva and ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like. Subscribe for more content and press the notification button as well. See you soon.